Our national flag. Every country has a national flag that represents its identity. Our national flag is the pride of Pakistan. It is a symbol of unity, freedom, and honor. It was officially adopted on August 14, 1947, the day Pakistan became an independent country. The flag of Pakistan has a very beautiful and meaningful design. It has two colors, dark green and white. The green part is larger and covers most of the flag, while the white part is on the left side as a vertical stripe. In the center of the green area, there is a white crescent moon and a five-pointed star. The crescent represents progress, and the star stands for light and knowledge. The white color shows peace and represents people of all communities, while the green color represents the majority of the population and their contribution to the country. The flag is designed in a way that reminds all citizens to live together with respect, harmony, and unity. It is flown on all government buildings, schools, offices, and important events. It is also hoisted on Pakistan Day, March 23, and Independence Day, August 14, and during national celebrations. We show respect to our flag by standing up during the national anthem. The flag is never allowed to touch the ground, and damaged or torn flags are removed with care. Our national flag is not just a piece of cloth, it is a symbol of our freedom, history, and identity. We should always respect it and be proud of it.